Imagine closing your eyes at midnight and waking up 4 hours later, bursting with energy. Sounds impossible, right? But science says it's doable if you hack sleep the smart way. Most people treat sleep like a power bank. More hours, more juice. Yet we've all slept 9 hours and still felt like zombies. The truth? Length means nothing without depth. Deep sleep is the secret fuel. So let's crack open your nightly architecture. Each cycle has 5 stages, lasting about 90 minutes. Stage 1 and 2, light sleep. Your brain drifts. Stage 3 and 4, deep sleep. Your body repairs and hormones party. Stage 5, REM. Your mind dreams and finds memories. Wake up in the middle of deep sleep and boom, morning brain fog. Wake up at the end of the cycle and you're lightning sharp. That's why 3 perfect cycles, 4.5 hours, can beat 8 messy ones. Quality trumps quantity. So every minute must sparkle. Rule 1, sleep in cave mode. Pitch black, cool air, zero noise, or a white noise hum. Rule 2, ditch blue light 1 hour before bed. Night shift your screen or wear those orange glasses. Rule 3, fuel up on magnesium, glycine, L-theanine. They relax your muscles, calm your thoughts, and open the door to deep sleep. Rule 4, ritualize bedtime like brushing your teeth. Give your brain a gentle runway, not a crash landing. Now let's bust some sleep myths. Myth 1, I need 8 hours or I'll die. Not true. Sleep need varies. It's about efficiency, not hours. Myth 2, naps are lazy. Science loves power naps, 20 minutes max. NASA even recommends them. Myth 3, I'm a night owl forever. Nope, light, meals, and routine can rewire your body clock. Want to fall asleep in 2 minutes flat? Use the military method. Step 1, relax your face, jaw, tongue, eyes. Step 2, drop your shoulders and arms. Step 3, exhale and relax your chest. Step 4, relax your legs, top to bottom. Step 5, clear your mind. Repeat. Don't think, don't think, don't think. Darkness wins. Remember, when I fix my sleep, my life upgraded itself. Win the night, own the day. Sleep smart,